Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the third video of Basic of Pharmaceutical Production. In previous two videos, we were discussing about the main bodies in India that approve medicine, and we discussed about the various types of pharma and Indian pharmaceutical companies. Now, this video is about schedule and description of content. These schedules are named as Schedule A, Schedule B, like Schedule Y. Schedules are the set of provision for classification of drugs, forms, fees, standards, requirement and regulations related to drug and cosmetics under Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945. These are the list of schedule. Schedule A describe application form and licenses type. Schedule B describe fee for test or analysis by the Central Drug Laboratories or State Drug Laboratories, including fee for the test or analysis by the Pharmaco Laboratory for Indian Medicine, while Schedule C describe the biological and special products. Like this, Schedule D describe the import requirement. Schedule E describe the list of poisonous substance under the Ayush. Schedule F describe the requirement for the functioning and operation of a blood bank and or for the preparation of blood components. Surgical dressing, umbilical tape and ophthalmics. Schedule G describe the list of drugs which are mostly in hormonal in nature. Schedule H describe the drug which can be sold out in retail against prescription of registered medical practitioner. Schedule J describe the disease and ailments which a drug may not purport to prevent or cure or make claim to prevent or cure the disease. Schedule K describe the class of drug and extent and condition of exemption from provision of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945. Schedule L1 describe the good laboratory practices and requirement of premises, while Schedule M describe the good manufacturing practice and requirement of premises, plant and equipment for pharmaceutical product. Schedule N describe the list of minimum equipment for the efficient running of pharmacy. Schedule O describe the standard for disinfectant fluids. Schedule P describe the life period of drug and the pack size of drug. Schedule Q describe the list of dye, color and pigments permitted to be used in cosmetics and soaps. Schedule R describe the standard for condom made up of rubber latex intended for single use and other mechanical contraceptives, and the Indian standard laid down from time to time by the Bureau of Indian Standard for medical devices. Schedule S describe the standards for cosmetic standards laid down from time to time by the Bureau of Indian Standards. Schedule T describe the good manufacturing practice for Ayush. Schedule U describe the particular shown in manufacturing record of drug and cosmetic. Schedule V describe the standard for patent or proprietary of medicines. Schedule X describe the list of habit forming and narcotic drug, while the last schedule, which is Schedule Y, describe the requirement and guideline for permission to import or manufacturing of new drug for sale or to undertake clinical trial. Schedule Z is proposed but not implemented yet. These schedules are according to Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like it. Thank you.